Hi Libra, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Happy New Year, Libra. Okay. Libra, these could be your energies as well. Libra, I feel there's a lot of communication coming your way. Card at the bottom of the deck is Eight of Cups, your general energy, the main energy for this reading. Walking away from what doesn't serve you, Libra. I feel somebody wants to communicate with you, or you want to communicate with somebody else who you feel has brought about a lot of happiness to you. And if this hasn't already happened, then this person will be communicating with you in the near future. Could be a Leo or another fire sign person. You're going to be getting a lot of good news, communication that brings about balance, stability, clarity of thought, clarity of ideas, a clear direction of what you seek in the future for yourself, a clear direction of where you need to go, a streamlined plan for your ambitions, how to go about reaching your goals, something that ended in the recent past and now is leading to rebirth, rejuvenation. You could also be dealing with a Sagittarius person, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Scorpio person. Libra, I also feel that you are trapped in your thoughts. You're scared of another ending. I don't know if this is a love reading because I don't see any signs as such, but this could be a love reading, something that is passionate, something that drives you to do better, someone that you want to be a better version of yourself for, basically. Lots of energies of eight of swords, eight of pentacles, eight of cups. I feel you've been going through a little struggle when it comes to emotional well-being, physical well-being, even, taking little decisions, tiny decisions in life has been a bit of a battle for you, a task for you. But I feel you're going to be taking a great leap of faith. Libra, beware of secrets and deceptions. If you are going to pursue a person who is from your past or somebody who've just met, make sure you do a whole 180-degree search for him or her. Like, get more information, get more clarity on you know, whether you actually vibe with their energies or not, or whether their energies are conducive to your growth mentally, physically, emotionally. Just go ahead, but go ahead with caution, Libra. Because I feel the wounds that were left from whatever happened in the past are still quite fresh, and you may find yourself weighing this new person in light of the same person who left you or the one who left you. Yeah, something did end horribly. So you're just scared whether or not to get close to another person. But Libra, trust me, this could be a connection of a lifetime, but you need to beware of a lot of things. I mean, it's just once smitten, twice shy energy over here. And, you can't be blamed for that, considering what has happened to you. Okay, so far I kept wondering if this person is somebody you've just met, but now it's clear that this person is somebody who you've known in the past. And they want to come in and offer you a new beginning, probably. With the Page of Wands and, the Sun card. the Page of Pentacles also. They want to manifest you. Probably they see what they missed out on, Libra, and they want to rectify their mistake. They see you as their wish fulfillment, somebody they can have a bright, beautiful, empowering future with. But I feel they are still the same. I don't think their energies have changed. Like, you have been this loyal, honest person, but this person has been disloyal and deceptive. With the Three of Swords energies over here, I'm going to keep it right here. Throw caution to air, Libra, only then take this leap of faith. Throw caution to the wind. Yes. This person does want to communicate with you, but they are very deceptive. This could be an earth sign individual, Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn. You'd know that best, Libra. Let's take out some oracle messages for you. These may or may not be directly related to the tarot. Meditation brings answers, get more information. As I mentioned in the reading earlier, try and get as much information as you can for this person, because you don't want to be repeating the mistakes that happened in the past. Libra. Start a project related to something you're curious about. Okay. Probably you need to forgive somebody. I don't know, I got this feeling that you need to forgive someone in order to bring in magic in your life, in order to manifest something that you've been waiting for. A new dawn. The worst is now behind you, and positive new experiences are on the horizon. There's a new dawn card here and the death card here, which also has a new dawn significance attached to it. Let's see more messages for you. Okay. Confidence is key to your success. Meditate and contemplate. Meditation brings answers. Heavy emphasis on meditation. Please pay heed to that and take the hint. Bring love into the situation. Yes. Okay. Perspective. None of this matters. Zoom out, common ground. Let go of what is not yours to carry, guys, and change your perspective, change the way you see things, change the way you feel about things. Probably when people react in a certain way, it's your karma that made them react that way, and now you just need to pick yourself up and move. I find a deeper meaning and personal growth amid discomfort. This is the new perspective, I guess. I choose love no matter what. You need to choose what you want in life. Guys, don't go with the flow, because sometimes only dead fish go with the flow. So make sure you know which flow you're choosing for yourself. I mean, if you want to go pursue a certain person, then yes, probably let the chips fall where they may fall. But don't do anything in a haste. Don't do anything just because you're impulsive about it. Sometimes these kind of steps backfire, and you don't want that, Libra. I'm just saying, move ahead, but move ahead with caution. With whether it's a job, a person, a new life, place, anything and everything, whatever there is, even though it's meant for you, it could be a little difficult in the beginning. So, yes, guys, that's about it. A very happy new year to you once again. Bye. Take care.